So we're gonna add, like I said, we have some flour. So I'm gonna make the dough. A bit of salt. A little sugar. I don't put as much because a lot of sugar is already in there. That's optional according to how sweet you want it. In my days, to make it very sweet, but you know, we were more into the taste, but you know now we begin to understand how to utilize, you know, sugary products. So we cut back on the sugar, still having the taste. So that is why I accent it with a little bit of coconut rum. That's sends it across the aisle. So I'm going to put a little sugar, baking powder, leavening, a little bit of vanilla extract. You have an option to also use nutmeg or mace. You can also put that in the dough or into the mixture whilst it's cooking. So we're gonna add a little bit of vanilla flavor, some butter, but back in my day we used shortening. But you know, we get a little more sophisticated now. So I'm gonna add some butter. Yes, so I'm gonna mix that. You can see? Y'all can see it? Floral, anything that's red that you can use. So now here we have our coconut. What I'm gonna do, you can finish it up, is take a little bit of the coconut first. Let's get some of that out. Then we take it, we drop it. Let's cut it.